Hey Cruise Addicts, welcome aboard the Carnival Celebration, Balcony Cabin 10458. This lovely balcony cabin had so many nice amenities and features. Let's take a look. A lovely large TV. Handy bedside USB ports and reading lamps. A nice sized desk and power outlets. Beautiful accent lighting. We thought these closets were wonderful and had plenty of storage for our week-long cruise. We really enjoyed the design of this bathroom, especially the glass enclosed shower. One of the best features of this cabin was the spacious extended balcony. Overall, we loved our time aboard the Carnival Celebration in this balcony cabin, and we think you will too. Especially with views like this.